Today I'll show how to buy shares of Moelis Company by using the specific search phrase, how to buy shares of Moelis Company as our example. Moelis Company is a global investment bank listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MC, and this is educational content only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro here as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually by uploading an ID, and then add funds to be able to make purchases. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MC to locate Moelis Company. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing so you pick the correct stock. On the asset page, you will find basic company information and a price chart showing recent performance. Confirm the company name and the NASDAQ ticker MC to ensure this is the correct listing. To place an order, click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm, noting that if the market is closed, your order will be scheduled for the next session. If you do not have sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it allows confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the video description for a link to eToro if you want to explore the platform further.